Did you forget your mail passwords like for Gmail and Yahoo, and did you lose access to your phone number? Many users worldwide have said they cannot log into their mail account simply because some of them maybe forget the password. Now, if it is the case, and you want to recover your mail's password without your phone number and email, don't worry. Here in this video, I'll show you step-by-step process to recover your password and phone number. Now, if you don't have that phone number or email, then first of all, you need to open Settings, scroll down to Google, or you can open a browser after that and tap Manage your Google account. Now tap Security. Now scroll down, tap Password Manager. Now find your Gmail account, Yahoo account, or any other mail account. Tap the account. Now, there you are now. You have the username and password. Now, this is how you can find your mail password on your Android or iPhone. Now, still, if you have any questions, be sure to ask me in the comment section. Thanks for watching.